Samsung's budget Galaxy Buds 3 FE TWS could be arriving next month. This event is set to kick off on September 5, 2025. There's a chance that the budget TWS might debut alongside the Galaxy S25 FE budget flagship and the new Galaxy Tab S11 series of premium tablets. Earlier this month, the Galaxy Buds 3 FE had its full design leaked in matte black. The Galaxy Buds 3 FE with a sizable 200 mAh battery on the earbuds, while the charging case has a large 900 mAh cell. The design looks similar to the Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro, with stems for touch controls like volume and playback. The Buds 3 FE will use silicone ear tips, a simple change that could make a big difference. The Buds 3 FE are also expected to bring ANC, ambient mode, improved battery life, and possibly Galaxy AI features like real-time translation through interpreter mode. Add in Bixby support and equalizer via the Galaxy wearable app. As for pricing, rumors suggest a range of $99 to $129, with a possible launch alongside the Galaxy S25 FE. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.